Oh, hello, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Remy. I'm a teacher of chemistry. I think you are okay. Our topic today is effective ways of waste management to manage waste. In this video, we'll talk about the key terms related to waste management, steps of waste management, importance and benefits of waste recycling, and then we end this topic by talking about effect of waste and pure disposal. Welcome again. Here we have the different terms. We have the term waste. Another term is waste management. Waste is any substance which is discarded after first use or it is useless defect. And we have another term called the waste management, how to manage, the meaning of waste management. Waste management includes all procedures of handling waste and reducing them. Here we have different examples of waste. We have peels of fruits, we have vegetables, we have fallen leaves of plants, we have lost papers, and so on. Let's talk about the different steps of effective waste management. There are 6 steps to achieve waste management. The 6 steps. This diagram, this sketch shows the most favored option and the least favored options. To mean the first that you have to choose or to make, they are this that written in this direction. And then these are the 6 steps of waste management. The first is prevention. The second is minimization, what also we call reduce. The third is reuse. The fourth is recycling. The fifth is energy recovery. The last, which is number 6, is disposal. And then after getting these 6 steps of waste management, we are going to get the meaning of each step. Let's start about prevention, to prevent. Prevention, or what we call avoidance. This means avoiding waste completely. Waste prevention strategies include using less packaging, designing products that last longer. For example, we have stop using plastic bags and use long life, such as canvas bags. We want to prevent using of plastics, and then we use those biodegradable bags. Step 2, remember, is minimization or reduce. Minimization refers to creation of few numbers of waste materials. This involves not leaving heating constantly, closing water running too long. Remember, if you open the tap of water, remember to close. Boiling a kettle with the right amount of water in it. Switching lights whenever not in use. Remember, we are dealing with the steps of waste management. How to manage waste. The third step is reuse. Reuse means reducing waste by not wasting them, but by using them for many times. It is also an effective method of waste management. For example, we should use sacks or clothed bags for multiple times instead of throwing them away after one use. We have another step called the recycling. Recycling means to collect used, reused, or unused items and processing them to form new products. It helps when reuse is not the option. Within recycling, we have to remember sorting, processing the collected materials into raw materials, remanufacturing new products from the raw materials. To mean also, within recycling, we want to follow these steps to sort. This sorting means to differentiate those biodegradable, which are decomposed, and those non-biodegradable, which are not decomposed. The second is the processing the collected materials into raw materials. The last is the remanufacturing new products from the raw materials. The fifth step is the energy recovery. Energy recovery is the conversion of non-recyclable materials into usable heat, electricity, or fuel through a variety of processes, including heating. This process is often called waste to energy. In brief, is WTE. After recovery, about 10% of the waste volume remaining, which is generally sent to disposal. Remember, disposal is the last step of waste management. The last step is disposal. Disposal is known as burying it. It can take two forms: landfill and composting. Let's get the meaning of these two main terms. Landfill involves the burning non-useful, which are non-biodegradable garbage at a high temperature in a special kind of furnace called the incinerator. The process is known as incineration. Another term is composting. This term composting is a process of converting plant and animals waste. Remember, these are biodegradable waste into manure. Compost is a nature fertilizer. We are going to talk about the importance and the benefit of waste recycling. Waste management has the benefit, even if they have the negative effect. The idea behind recycling is the environmental protection because it reduces deforestation, air and water pollution, land pollution, greenhouse gases emissions. We have another use called the conservation of natural resources. The more recycled materials, this has a benefit. For example, this leads to less new raw materials are needed. Energy usage is reduced. Landfill volume is also reduced. Another benefit, this is a job creation. Industries are built and people get employment and money. Let's end our topic by talking about the effect of waste and pure disposal. The pure waste management. Waste can cause deleterious effects not only to living organisms but also to environment. Some of them include land pollution, water pollution, and air pollution. Such pollutions lead to acid rain formation, global warming, ozone layer depletion, due to water bodies. When we say water bodies, are those living organisms that really live in water. Diseases like dysentery, cholera, and another kinds of diseases. Another effect, drainage blocking that hinders crops growing, soil aeration system, and soil productivity. Here we have another different negative of poor disposal of waste. Death of aquatic animals due to toxic materials from waste. It also causes pollution of underground water. They affect the tourism industry. They may also cause injuries. As we have said at the beginning, our topic of effective waste management really talks about the key term, the meaning of waste management and waste, the steps of waste management, the benefits of waste management, and the negative effect of waste or pure disposal. Thank you for your attention. Remember to subscribe, to give a like, to make a comment, and to share to your friends. Thank you. We are together.